Ever wondered how to install Office 365 on your Windows device? Or perhaps you've been stumped trying to configure your email account on the offline version of Outlook. Today, we'll unravel the mystery, breaking down these processes into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First up, installing Office 365 on your Windows device. Begin by opening your favorite web browser. Key in office.com quote on the search bar and hit enter. On the page that appears, locate a button labeled Sign In and give it a click. You'll need to enter your Microsoft account details here. If you don't have one, now's the time to create it. Once signed in, you'll be greeted with a page showcasing all the apps and services included in Office 365. Look for an orange button that reads Install Office. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, select Office 365 Apps. This will prompt a download of the Office 365 installer. Now navigate to your Downloads folder and double-click on the installer. A window will pop up displaying the phrase, Getting Things Ready. Patience is key at this stage. Once ready, the installer will prompt you to agree to the Microsoft software license terms. Go ahead and click Accept. The installation will then begin, and you can sit back and relax while the magic happens. With the installation complete, you're not quite done yet. Open one of the newly installed apps, such as Word or Excel. Here, you'll be asked to activate Office. Click on Activate and sign in with your Microsoft account to complete the process. Now onto configuring your email account on the offline version of Outlook. Open Outlook and navigate to the File tab. Select Add Account and fill in your email details. Click Next, and Outlook will automatically detect the correct server settings. Confirm these settings and click Next again. Once your account is configured, you'll see a message saying, Congratulations. Click Finish to complete the process. So, to recap, installing Office 365 on your Windows device involves downloading the installer from office.com, running the installer, and activating Office with your Microsoft account. Configuring your email account on the offline version of Outlook, on the other hand, requires you to add your account, confirm the server settings, and finish the setup. It's that simple. With these step-by-step instructions, you're well on your way to mastering Office 365 and Outlook. Remember, practice makes perfect. So why not give it a try? With a bit of patience and a dash of determination, you'll be an Office 365 whiz in no time.